ChatGPT can help you supercharge your coaching business and take your results to a whole new level. As a conscious coach, you pour your heart and soul into your work. You truly want to serve your clients, but there's just so much to be done. Overwhelm inevitably will creep in. That's where ChatGPT comes in. I'm going to share ways this AI game changer will revolutionize the way that you coach, will revolutionize your life and your business, and take everything you do to a whole new level. From generating ideas, creating content, programs, outlines, workshops, communications, emails, messages, lead magnets, the list is endless. I'm going to share with you a whole host of ways that you can transform everything that you do as a coach. When I first heard about ChatGPT, I assumed it was another one of those annoying messenger bots until I dove a little deeper, until I began to understand. And then, let me tell you, it changed everything for me. My life and business has completely transformed over the past few months of using, learning, adopting and incorporating what ChatGPT can do in my business. And that's why I'm so impassioned to share that transformation with you, because it truly is a game changer. This new way of building a coaching practice is truly revolutionary, and I never want to go back. I'm sure you will not too, once you understand and appreciate, just as I did, the difference that AI and ChatGPT in particular can make to your life and to your business. I'm Colin Scotland. I'm a marketing coach passionate about AI and how we can enhance everything that we do as conscious coaches, as spiritual beings, living to serve others and raise the consciousness of humanity. How can we incorporate AI? How can we enhance what we do with that? And how can we make a difference in more people's lives? This is my passion, this is my calling, and I'm here to help you really make a difference in the world with what you do. Please like, comment, and subscribe on this video to help me spread my message to more conscious coaches like you. Let's look at 3 ways that you can use ChatGPT in your business. The third one is the most powerful by far. First is perhaps the most obvious, and that is to create content. You can ask ChatGPT to help, assist and guide you and actually create content. This can include ad copy, social media posts, landing pages, lead magnets, emails, website copy. The list is almost endless. Anything and everything you need to create to communicate your value as a coach, ChatGPT can help. So think of it as having an expert marketer by your side, a gifted copywriter and a really talented marketing strategist who can help you at every phase of that journey. How do I promote my products? How do I create my products? How do I promote them? How do I outline them? How do I get more people to look at them? What things can I do? These are all questions that you can ask of ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will give you information back that you can then take and be better in your business, be a better marketer of your coaching practice. When it comes to using ChatGPT for content creation, one of the best things I love to do is to have it be my brainstorming companion. So I will just creatively think inside of ChatGPT and allow the results from ChatGPT to spark new, different creative ideas. So rather than using ChatGPT's content as a replacement for my thoughts and my ideas, on the contrary, ChatGPT is the thing that supercharges, that powers up my creative thinking, that gets my creative juices flowing like nothing else. So I'll see things in ChatGPT that I just hadn't thought of looking at a blank page, and all of a sudden neurons are firing and I'm going off here, there and everywhere on this beautiful creative adventure. That is the power of ChatGPT when it comes to content creation. And of course, you can create an infinite number of things that you could think about: blog posts, articles, lead magnets, sales pages, anything that you can think about, you can create in ChatGPT. The real benefit lies in the creative power that ChatGPT will help you to unlock. When you use ChatGPT to get into that energy, that creative flow, this is where you will unlock the magic of how to incorporate this in your business for yourself. The second way is to improve your communication. And of course, throughout all of this, you're going to save oodles and oodles of time. Think about the last time you got one of those big, long emails from a client, because you're in the detail, you're in the weeds of the coaching relationship, and there's lots of stuff going on. So the client feeds you back all of this information. You've then got to process, summarize, and then respond appropriately to that. Just by copying and pasting that content into ChatGPT, asking it to summarize the content and to create a list of actions, that in itself is a massive time saver. Not only is it a massive time saver, what will happen is you will see things in that response from ChatGPT that you wouldn't have necessarily picked up on when you read the email. And this makes you more aware as a coach. This makes you more conscious of the motivation of your client. It helps you to understand where they're coming from on a much deeper level. Of course, the AI can suggest tone improvements, more persuasive language, better clarity of communication. You can ask it to explain it as if it was speaking to a 10-year-old child, and it will use very simple language that is plain and easily understood. Ultimately, the tool will save you time and make you better at communicating with your clients. And the third way is ChatGPT will make you a better coach. We all want this. We all want this. How will it make you a better coach? Well, think about having an expert mentor at your side as a coach to help you, to guide you, and to help you think about things that you would never have thought about otherwise. As a marketing coach, I have my clients create content every day. I wave this at them and I ask them to create content that expresses who they are as individuals, expresses their individuality. What this does is it sends people out of their comfort zone and it causes that fear to rise. It causes them to have imposter syndrome, fear of failure, fear of success. Any level of fear that you can imagine comes up. And I'm not a psychologist, I'm a marketer. So my expertise isn't in dealing with that fear. But I've often used ChatGPT to help me help the client overcome. So I'll ask things like, what's the best way to help a client overcome fear when it comes to creativity? What are the best coaching questions I can ask to encourage reflection, to encourage them to take those baby steps towards making progress? And you know what? It's just supercharged my abilities as a coach. It's given me powerful questions that I can use in conversations, and it's given me the skills and the tools that I need to be better at what I do. So I would encourage you to play around with ChatGPT. Give it your full, undivided attention. Have conversations with ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT what ChatGPT can do for you in your circumstance. The results will astound you. Take a trip down that rabbit hole and join me down there. It's such a fun ride and it will literally transform everything that you do. If you found this content valuable, then please do like and subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this to help you in your coaching practice. And please leave a comment below to let me know how you're using ChatGPT. Let's learn and grow together. So what are you waiting for? Embrace the power of AI and supercharge your coaching practice with ChatGPT. Thank you for your support. I'll see you in the next video.